Hello everyone, this is Jagtar, Shergill, insurance broker and insurance advisor on auto, home, life, commercial and critical illness. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So today I'm going to give some tips regarding how to save taxes and more money in your pocket. So this is end of the year. A lot of people are buying RRSP, like registered retirement saving plan, to save taxes. This is a very good way of saving your taxes and putting the money toward your retirement into savings. So let's say if you are putting about $10,000 into RRSP and your tax bracket is around 40%, or even for average people 30%, majority of the people tax bracket. So you are saving about $3,000 on your taxes. So if you invest $10,000, you are saving between $3,000 to $4,000 on your taxes. That means when you put $10,000, you are getting back from the government $3,000. So you are using government's money to save. So you are still getting interest on $10,000, but you are getting $3,000 back, and so that way income growing, compounding every year when you're putting money aside and saving taxes. So a lot of people have confusion that, oh, it's same thing, when I'm going to take the money out, I had to pay taxes anyway. It's tax deferred plan, not tax saving plan. That's true. It's a tax deferred plan. It's not tax avoidance plan, but unless you don't know the other ways around it. So when you have so much savings in RRSP and money is growing continuously at compounding interest in your segregated funds and index funds, and so many different ways of investing within that RRSP. Just like mutual funds, we are putting the money into segregated funds, which are more secure and they have a granted maturity amount and granted the death the benefit if you die, and you can also put a beneficiary. You can save the money from creditors in case you go bankrupt or people are after your money, and when it matures, you don't have to take the money out. You can leverage this RRSP account and make a registered retirement income fund. It's LIRA or so many other things, or you can get a loan against your RRSP, which you don't have to pay back on the loan. As I said in the previous video, you don't pay taxes on the loan. So this is end of the year, so take advantage of getting RRSP and the registered retirement saving plan. And even if you don't have the money right now, you can get a RRSP loan. So there's very simple application where you can get RRSP loan. So getting a loan to get RRSP is also a very good way of investing money, because you might pay 4 to 5% interest on the RRSP loan, but you are gaining 30% of your taxes on the income. So take that advantage. And second thing is, you buy tax sheltered life insurance plans where you are putting your money and you are covering your life in case something sudden happen. So your family don't have to worry about selling a home or selling the car to cover their expenses or going to a smaller home. But also in the long run, if you live long and your money grows in your life insurance policy, which is tax sheltered, as long as you're not taking the money out from your life insurance policy, you don't have to pay taxes on that savings. A lot of people have money sitting in the bank account, $60,000. Some people have over $100,000 just in GIC or simple checking account. which only pay about 1% or 2% interest maximum, whereas you can use that money to buy RRSP, plus you buy life insurance to put your money tax sheltered, where your money grows on average 8 to 10%, and much savings there. So again, when time comes to taking the money out, always take a loan against your investment. Don't take the money upfront, because then you have to pay taxes on your earned income. But in case you are nearing retirement, you are taking money out at retirement, you can take the money in monthly installment instead of one lump sum payment. Let's say if you have a $200,000 in your RRSP account or in your life insurance policy, on the wealth maximization plan. So if you take $200,000 upfront, you have to pay taxes on, that's your income, so you have to pay taxes on that. It's almost 50% income tax, so you are paying almost $100,000. So rather than paying the tax on whole amount, take only monthly payment you can need. You can get a annuity for life, or annuity up to the number of years, or 85 or 75 you want, and that's a granted annuity where you will get monthly payment for rest of your life for your savings without worrying about paying taxes. And other thing is like RESP for your children. If you are a young family, you have children, buy RESP plan where government gives free money, mostly at least 20% of whatever you pay, up to maximum $500 per month, and that's free money. So if you take advantage of that free money from the government and buy RESP, registered education saving plan, so there's no way you can get 20% interest from any investment. Like even mutual funds average around 8 to 10%, but if you're getting 20% guarantee from the government, plus their initial bonuses or education bonus, on top of that, my company, if you buy for a newborn baby plan for RESP for children, they give 15% additional education assistance on the amount you invest. So government pay 20% and company pay 15%. So that's 35% you get on whatever you invest. On top of that, you get any interest earned. So 20% government, 15% insurance company, plus the interest you earn. It's a very win-win situation. You should get RESP for your children. It's a no-brainer. It's a very good plan. Take use of government grant and just call your insurance broker or call me at 416-831-0215. If you are in Ontario, I can help you set up your registered education saving plan for your child. So this is the very good way of saving money through RESP, through RRSP, and through your life insurance plans where you can grow your money tax sheltered. And there's also many other ways to save money, like you got to create assets. So buy assets, and then your assets pay for your expenses. In Brampton, Mississauga, Montreal, all big cities like Vancouver, Calgary, Edmonton, Winnipeg, and Windsor area, all the big cities, there are a lot of truck operators, trucking companies, people who own their trucks. They are saving a lot of money. You see all the new developments in suburbs, nice homes is owned by those truck drivers and or trucking companies, and they know how to save taxes, how to fill up the tax returns. They make good money, they pay less taxes and buy nice homes and buy nice cars from those savings from those taxes. So many of the truckers I see that they don't take lunches out mostly. I see dump truck or gravel truck people, and sometimes they are eating while they're driving. I don't recommend that. They should take a break and finish their lunch break or whatever they're doing. But even highway drivers, they take the 6 days meal from home and then save money on unnecessary things and put the money where the mouth is. So I even have a lot of clients who are in trucking industry. They are very simple people from the look, but when you talk to them, many of their homes are free, or they have 2 to 3 properties, or they pay cash for their insurance policy. One person I know for sure, I won't give the name, but I asked him that this is the monthly plan for their auto and home insurance. He said, no, just tell me how much is yearly. So I tell him yearly, and he just paid me from his credit card right away the full amount. And every year he paid me full yearly amount. And then he told me that he has a property to insure. I said, sure, I can insure the rental property with your home. I said, you have one rental property? He said, no, I have 6. I was surprised. That simple man and very humble man, and with very good way of saving and investing. So it's amazing how they do it. Like you got to start your some side hustle or your own business, your own company, where you can take all the advantage of tax savings. That's the other way of doing it. Look, a lot of small businesses know how to pay taxes smartly, and big businesses, sometimes people think that those bigger companies who are making millions of dollars, they are tax cheaters. They're not tax cheaters. They know how to fill up taxes properly. They have insurance brokers guiding them how to get the better insurance, tax people telling them how to save taxes. They have accountants, lawyers. They have team of people who guide them how to save taxes. You must have heard that is everybody knows that Warren Buffett pays less taxes than his secretary pays taxes. Why? Because he knows where to save money and how to fill taxes. And so that's but if you're an ordinary person, you're a worker, and you can also get a lot of services. It's free. Person like me, insurance broker, I don't charge until I get your business or do something for you. So it's a free advice. Just give me a call at 416-831-0215 for any kind of insurance or RRSP or RESP plans, and I can help you that. Also, I do trucking insurance, single truck or multiple trucks or fleets of 5 or more trucks, or business insurance, properties, restaurant, anything, you name it regarding insurance. I'm your go-to guy in Ontario. You can give me a call, Jagtar Shergill, at 416-831-0215, Jagtar at ableinsurance.ca, or my personal email, shergill.insurance@gmail.com. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you do, please share with other people so that maximum people can take advantage of it. Please save your hard-earned income and put in the right way. And if small businesses or big business people can save money, you can also save money with your smartness and getting advantage of free advice from people like me or from many other people who can guide you how to save money and build assets, then liabilities, and then spend money from your assets, not from your earned income, which you paid so much taxes already, and you pay taxes again and again and again, and almost half or more than half of your income at the end of the month goes in taxes. So that's my message. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a call at 416-831-0215. So work smart and save money and put the money in the right place, and so that you can take maximum advantage of your time and your hard-earned money. Thanks and God bless you.